And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, you may notice that wind out there this morning. Wind gusts this morning have already topped out near 35 miles per hour. We're seeing sustained wind speeds from the northeast at 24 miles per hour, making things feel more like 20 as you step out the door this morning. We have 33 degrees and cloudy conditions, but notice we are remaining dry at this time. The temperature remaining just above freezing at this point throughout the entire viewing area. Kokomo now down to freezing 33, Lafayette right around 34 degrees in Crawfordsville this early morning. But if we go to the satellite radar, you'll notice that we do have a few isolated showers popping up. The problem with the light rainfall moving on into the region right now is that, one, we're above freezing, so it's going to begin to fall as rain and even stay rain as it gets towards the surface. The problem with the humidity at this point is that it's so low that any rainfall that does reach the surface begins to evaporate before it even reaches our roofs this morning. So as that humidity begins to rise, that's when that rain will begin to fall, but temperatures will also fall as well. And that's when we're going to be looking at the possibility of freezing rain and wintry mix throughout the morning hours, and that has prompted the National Weather Service to issue winter weather advisories for the majority of our viewing area. Now, the winter weather advisory for Tippecanoe County will last until 10 a.m., but as we go further off to the northeast, we'll be seeing those last until 3 p.m. That is because we are going to begin to see a better chance of some snow further off to the northeast later in the day today and the evening hours. Temperatures will warm up to 37 in West Lafayette later this afternoon, 36 in Frankfort, right around 36 in Logansport as well. So any of this freezing rain that we have this morning will turn back into a rain during the late morning afternoon hours, and then we see that chance of snow begin to move in as well. Temperatures right around dinner time will begin to dip right back down below freezing, and that is when we're going to begin to see our snow chances pop up. And as far as snowfall amounts throughout the day today go, we're talking about 1 to 2 inches for the southwestern portion of the viewing area. You go a little bit further towards the east, towards Kokomo, 2 to 3 inches, and then the northeastern corner of our viewing area can actually expect as much as 3 to 5 inches of snowfall before tomorrow afternoon. 31 degrees will be your overnight low temperature tonight. That rain and mix will turn into a light snowfall. Winds will be from the northwest around 0 to 5 miles per hour, and then we begin to see a better chance of that snow move in tomorrow. More isolated snowfall, scattered snow showers, once again the heaviest snowfall being in the northeastern corner of our viewing area. 35 degrees will be your high temperature tomorrow afternoon. It looks like the majority of any of that snow will begin to decrease by the early afternoon hours, so temperatures will remain below freezing even as that snowfall falls. 34 degrees your high temperature on Thursday. We dip to 33 on Friday. A slow, gradual decrease in temperatures is expected throughout the remainder of our work week into the beginning of the weekend, with 31 degrees on Saturday. Now, any snow chances we see Thursday, Friday, and Saturday will be light at best, maybe a few chances for flurries. 31 your high temperature on Sunday, partly cloudy skies that day, and then we jump right back to 37 come next Monday.
A very complicated forecast in the next 24, 48 hours.
Yeah, a lot to talk about this morning. I'm surprised I was able to fit it in about 2.5 minutes. But all together, guys, yeah, a lot to talk about with temperatures jumping back and forth between freezing and above freezing, below freezing. This morning, though, once again, the thing to remember when you head out, likely going to be seeing some sort of precipitation, and as temperatures dip over the next couple hours slightly below freezing here at the surface, it may begin to fall as rain, but once it hits the surface, that's when it's going to freeze and cause those problems on the roads.
So don't let the calm right now fool you. There's some heavy stuff coming our way.
Well, heavy stuff later on this evening. It looks like right now the freezing rain is to worry about.
Okay, thanks, Cameron.